If you're looking to avoid penalties on early withdrawals from your retirement account, a 72T distribution could be your solution. The 72T rule allows you to take early withdrawals from your IRA or 401k without facing the usual 10% penalty, as long as you follow specific guidelines. In this video, we're going to walk through how it works, what you need to know, and the key things you must avoid to keep your withdrawals penalty-free. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. If you're in a situation where you're planning on using your retirement funds early, this could be the perfect resource to consider, especially for those with substantial savings. Now, let's talk about the 72T distribution. The IRS 72T rule allows you to take early withdrawals from an IRA or 401k without the 10% penalty, but there's a catch. You have to commit to a set withdrawal schedule. This schedule will last for either 5 years or until you turn 59-1-2, whichever is longer. This means you can't just take out money whenever you need it. You have to stick to the plan once you begin. The good news is that there are 3 main methods to calculate the distribution: the fixed amortization method, the fixed annuitization method, and the required minimum distribution, RMD method. The most common method is the fixed amortization method, where you calculate a specific amount to withdraw each year based on your life expectancy, the value of your retirement account, and a reasonable interest rate. The fixed annuitization method works similarly, but is based on an annuity calculation, and the RMD method is generally used for smaller balances. It's important to note that if you break the schedule, the IRS will penalize you for the early withdrawals, usually retroactively, which can be a major setback. So, if you start a 72T distribution, make sure you're prepared to stick with it for the long haul. If you change your mind, or if your financial situation changes, you could face significant penalties. Now, some people wonder whether they should just take the 10% penalty and avoid this complicated withdrawal strategy altogether. But here's why a gold IRA could be a better option. Unlike traditional IRAs or 401ks, gold IRAs offer a way to diversify your retirement portfolio with precious metals like gold and silver. With the volatility in the stock market, many retirees are turning to gold IRAs as a stable option to protect their wealth from inflation and economic uncertainty. Plus, if you're a high net worth retiree with more than 100K in your IRA, you might want to consider gold IRAs as a way to hedge against risks while preserving your hard-earned savings. But back to 72T. If you're thinking about using this method, the key to success is planning ahead. You have to ensure that your withdrawals are in line with the IRS rules, or else you'll be hit with penalties. Be mindful of your current tax situation too. While you avoid the 10% penalty, the withdrawals are still taxable, so make sure you're prepared for the tax bill. If you're in a financial situation where you need access to your retirement funds early, but you want to avoid penalties, a 72T distribution can be an excellent tool. But like with any decision around your retirement, it's crucial to fully understand the rules and stay compliant. That's why having an expert on your side, someone who understands the rules and how to use them to your advantage, is invaluable. And, as mentioned before, if you're serious about securing your wealth for the future, don't forget to check out that free gold IRA guide in the description. It could be the step you need to take for a safer financial future. In conclusion, 72T distributions are a powerful tool for early withdrawals, but they require commitment. Stick to your plan, follow the IRS guidelines, and don't let unexpected penalties derail your financial strategy. And remember, gold IRAs are often a safer, more reliable option for protecting your wealth from the market's unpredictable swings, especially if you have a substantial amount saved. If you have over 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, consider using a gold IRA to safeguard your future. It's an ideal strategy for American retirees who are serious about securing their wealth for the long term. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide and start protecting your savings today.